this video, we'll be looking at validating links and working with link errors in PDF documents with the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. These demonstrations should help you if you find detecting and fixing link errors particularly challenging, frequently publish cross-link document sets or collections, or feel that a detailed report on link usage within one or more PDF documents would be useful to have. The AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat provides additional functions for the automated creation of detailed reports on link usage and detecting, marking up, or fixing link errors in one or multiple PDF documents. The validating PDF links and working with errors function in AutoBookmark allows the user to create a link report, clean up links and bookmarks, and find and fix link errors either by marking up link errors in a PDF document or by doing so in a group of files. Let's begin with an overview of the Create Link and Bookmark Report tool in the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. So what is this tool? It creates a detailed report on links and bookmarks showing action statistics, file dependencies, URL references, named destinations, and link errors. It's useful for creating such reports for single or multiple PDFs. To use the tool, click Plugins in the upper menu, then Links, then Create Link and Bookmark Report. When this tool's window opens, you can use buttons to select one or multiple files and select the options below with desired options for the report's contents. The software detects the following errors. For the Go to a Page View in Current Document action, destination page numbers being out of the correct page range, and referenced name destinations not existing. For the Open a File and Go to a Page in Another Document actions, the destination file names may not be specified, or the files may not exist at all. For the Open a Web Link action, if the URL address is empty, if the URL isn't formatted correctly, and correctly validated web references. Every external file reference is labeled as either relative or absolute to aid in finding absolute path links. In this example, we're going to click on Add File to select the input file. Select the necessary PDF and then select the desired processing options required for the link report. Click OK to proceed. Select a folder to save the report file to, and then click Save. After processing, the detailed report on action statistics, file dependencies, URL references, named destinations, and possible errors will have been generated. Here is a sample link report. Note that some records are omitted. Select the Add Folder button to select an input folder with multiple files. Select a folder from the window that appears, and then click OK. Optionally check the required processing options, then click OK to proceed. Select a folder to save the file to, then click Save. After processing, the detailed report has been generated for all inspected PDF files in the folder. The link report simplifies file review and analysis. Now we'll look at an overview for the Clean Up Links and Bookmarks tool in the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. This tool checks every link and bookmark for various problems and performs a user-specified cleanup operation. You would use it to automatically inspect PDFs and remove links to missing files or pages, links without assigned actions, and convert absolute path references into relative. To use the tool, head to Plugins in the upper menu, click Links, and then Clean Up Links and Bookmarks. In the window that opens, you are presented with a variety of cleanup operations. These are to convert absolute file references into relative, if possible, to delete link annotations without assigned actions, and to delete link annotations that direct us to missing files or pages, or to delete bookmarks that direct us to missing files or pages, and to show a processing report in an external viewer. Select a final option to show a processing report in an external viewer to create a report before executing this cleanup operation. Click OK once this is done. The tool checks every link and bookmark for various problems and generates a detailed report, and can automatically convert absolute path references into relative and displays these results in the report. Generally, you do not want to have any absolute file references in your PDF files. All links and bookmarks that use absolute file references will not work if documents are moved into a different location. Let's clarify the difference between relative and absolute paths when it comes to PDF file links. A relative path is a path relative to the document's directory, and an absolute path points you to the same location on one file system, regardless of the working directory of the document that contains a link. If a document uses absolute paths, then it cannot be moved to another computer without breaking the links. To convert absolute files into relative, Click Plugins, then Links, and then clean up Links and Bookmarks. In the window that opens, check the proper box to convert absolute file references into relative. Check the other desired boxes before clicking OK. The tool checks every link and bookmark for various problems and performs a user-specified cleanup operation. The detailed report will be displayed. The tool has automatically converted absolute path references into relative and deleted any dead links and bookmarks. Here are some examples from a cleanup report before and after the operation is carried out. Observe the number of absolute links converted into relative and link error descriptions detailed in the lower boxes. You then have the option to save or print your report. Then inspect your links. Let's move on to an overview of the Find and Fix Link Errors tools in the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. Use these tools to mark up link errors in a PDF document and find and fix link errors in a group of files. Let's begin with the Markup Link Errors tool. This tool automatically detects and marks up all link errors with sticky text notes. To use it, click Plugins in the upper menu, then select Links, then Find and Fix Link Errors, then Mark Up Link Errors. When the window opens, you can optionally select a page range before clicking OK. The dialog box will show the number of link errors that have been detected after processing. These link errors will be marked with red notes. When hovering the mouse on these notes, they expand to display a problem description. Text notes are placed at the location of the invalid links. Each note contains such an error description. Easily edit a link error by right-clicking on the link. In this example, we will quickly correct the faulty URL associated with the link. Work with these text notes using excellent commenting tools. Right-click on the text note and select Show Comment App from a pop-up menu to open the comment toolbar. Now all marked up link errors can be easily navigated. Use all available commenting tools to work with the error markup. You can search, review, delete, mark, send for review, and print these comments. Now let's look at some quick tools for finding the first or next page with errors. Click Plugins in the upper menu, then select Links, then Find and Fix Link Errors, then Find First Page with Errors. The dialog box will show the number of link errors that have been detected on this page. Link errors are marked with red notes on this page only. Easily edit a link error by right-clicking on the link. The next pages will not have been checked for link errors. Click Plugins, then Links, Find and Fix Link Errors, then find Next Page with Errors. The dialog box will show the number of link errors that have been detected on the page. Link errors will be marked with red notes on this page only. Click Plugins, then Links, then Find and Fix Link Errors, then Remove Error Markup to remove all red notes. All text notes with link error titles will be automatically deleted from the document. Now let's look at an overview of the Find and Fix Link Errors in a Group of Files tool in the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. This tool automatically checks a set of PDF documents for errors in link annotations and bookmarks, and assists in fixing these errors. You would use it to check and fix link errors in cross-linked document sets or collections. To use this tool, click Plugins, Links, Find and Fix Link Errors, then Find and Fix Link Errors in Group of Files. Click Browse to select the input folder that contains the PDF files. All the PDF files from this folder and its subfolders will then be checked for errors. The plugin checks all links and bookmarks for the following errors: Missing destination files. When a link or bookmark refers you to a missing file, the software checks all documents in the set and suggests a file to link to, based on a missing file name. Destination files not being specified for an action that is required to have one. Missing named destinations. When a link or bookmark refers you to a named destination that is not present in the document. And invalid page references. When a link or bookmark refers you to a page number that does not exist in the document. Note that the plugin is only able to assist in fixing these first two errors related to issues with destination files. Click Next to proceed. A detailed list of errors will be displayed in the window. Optionally click Save Errors as a Text to save the error report as a text file. Then review the listed errors. Double-click on any error in the view to open a Fix Link Error dialog box. The plugin will automatically suggest the best method to fix a particular error. The software offers 4 possible methods for fixing a file link error. You can move one of the existing files into a missing file location, or adjust links to point to another location or file, select a file and copy it into a missing file location, or delete the actions from all links and bookmarks that direct you to a missing file. Select the desired method and then press OK. Once an error has been fixed, its associated icon will be changed from red to green. Repeat this procedure with errors using the desired method. Once all errors have been fixed, these icons will all change from red to green. All changes will be automatically saved in the PDF files. Click Finish to close this dialog box. These tools make it easy to check and fix link and bookmark errors in the set of PDF documents. Learn more and download the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat at evermap.com.